Hi, my name is Carolina. This is Carolina's Closet, and this year I am working on a temperature blanket. So, the temperature blanket that I'm doing is a hexagon blanket with hexagons just like this, and I have three colors, actually four, in each hexagon. So, the very center of my hexagon is the low temperature of each day. The petals, so like the middle color, is the current temperature of the time that I'm crocheting, and the outer little like border thing, actually before the borders, like the third color, going from center out, is the high color of the high temperature of every single day. And I finish every hexagon with a white border at the end, so they kind of match somehow a little bit. It has been quite a fun project. I film every single day that I do it just to keep track and to kind of post it here online so that I can keep like a log of this temperature blanket. So far, I'm doing great, although you will see I kind of missed a day, which was very frustrating, but I just kept on and continued doing it. And this is the little log of the beginning of February. I'll leave you to it. So, I missed a day. I missed the first day of February. Does that set a tone for the month? I hope not. Basically, it's not, I forgot, but I didn't. The thing is, the whole afternoon yesterday, I was working on this. I was working on like the video for the end of January and taking the photos with the hexagons. And when doing that, I just kind of, I was like, I need to do it, and then I forgot. And I woke up this morning and I looked at the hexes and I was like, oh shit, I forgot to do yesterday. Because like I was just working, I was thinking about them, I was like, maneuvering them and doing the video about them, the hexagons, the blanket, and I just forgot to actually do the blanket for the day, which sucked. Like, I woke up today and I didn't realize until I looked at the box, and then I was like so disappointed at myself. It's like, I can't believe I just forgot it. Like, I forgot it. Like, I just did. It's not like I didn't do it because I didn't want to, because I was lazy. I forgot it. Anyway, I'm working on yesterday's today. I went and looked at the temperature, and I'm doing the low, the high, and the average. So low 20, high 29, and average 25. Am I happy about it? Absolutely not. Also, it's like 7:45 is probably like 7:50, and I have to kind of like do this kind of fast, so I'll just do this one now, and later in the day I will do the one for actually today, like the 2nd of February, because I won't have time to do both right now. So, hi besties, this is Voice Over Me. How are you all doing? I'll just kind of fill in the silence of me crocheting in absolute silence with a time lapse. And this is just me doing the 1st of February in the 2nd of February, and just watching something on YouTube probably. And I joined it halfway, so like I joined it with like the last hexagon, but I didn't join it fully to the blanket because I'm doing that in the end of the day. And this one looks really cute. I really like it. I love the like bright pink colors. And this is later in the day. February the 2nd. The second hexagon I do today is now 5:39, and I will soon go to the gym. Actually, no, I'm going to the gym in like 2 hours. 2 hours, so I have plenty of time. I actually have some things that I have to do. Oh my god, it's so hot. It doesn't feel that hot. 29 for right now. The low is at 21. The high, 31. Oh, it's a very dark one. I think, yeah, it looks like this one almost. The second one when I was by the beach. So, quite a hot day. Oh, this one as well. Yeah. Not that original, but let's do this. Yeah, I think it's really nice noticing like which ones have been the same and which ones have not, because of like the way that I'm doing this temperature blanket. I don't really have same color hexagons too much. Like they do vary a lot, which is really nice, something that I wanted. We have some that are almost the same, but they're never really the same because like the middle color is a different degree, like the outer color is a different degree. So I think it has been really fun doing this. Also here I'm joining this hexagon to the one I did earlier, and then I'm joining both of them to the blanket. And all of the joining took me 39 minutes and 9 seconds of like all the joining and the hexagon for the afternoon. Yeah, this is how it's looking. I really have been loving joining it all to the blanket. And this is Friday the 3rd, and I'm doing this hexagon. The low was 20, the high was 28, and the current was 27, so it was really hot when I was doing this. I finished just the hexagon, and it took me 25 minutes and 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. So I will just now join it with the other ones, and I will be done for the day. Yeah, this was a very sunny day, and I love this outfit. This color really looks nice on me. I really need to buy more or like make something this color, this like orange, because I really do think it matches me, and I've got compliments. It's in. This is it. In total, 33 minutes and 38 seconds. I think that's a good time. And yeah, I wish I had more to say that day because I was looking really nice with that color. Anyway, on Saturday I really didn't record myself because I was looking bad. Like I wasn't bad. I was editing another video, by the way. My nails are not dirty. They're just like, it's the brown nail polish, okay? Okay. Yeah, I really just wanted to show my nails. I'm sorry for that. And yeah, it's not dirty. This is the absolute last thing that I want to be doing today, because it takes so long. Like, I have to be places, I have to go out, I have to stop to do this. The low, 21, the current 24, and the high 28. Let's do this. Okay, so this voiceover has been a mess because I keep interrupting myself. But anyway, this day I was so much in a rush that I managed to do everything, like doing the hexagon and joining it in 26 minutes. And I had never done it so fast, like including joining. This was too fast. I was going out, like I was going to my friend's, to my friend's place to go to a party. And I had to like drive all the way there. So like I was just in a rush. And I did manage to like do it very fast. It was really like fulfilling to myself. Anyway, this is Monday. I was back home anyway, as you can see. And the low was 21, the high was 27, and the current was 26. And it was very sunny. And I was going to go to the gym. So I kind of had to rush, but not as much as the last day. There's something incredibly wrong with this one. I don't know what it is, but there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, I don't know, there's something really wacky about this one. It really doesn't look too good, but I have to attach it to the thing, and I have to leave, so yeah. The footage really doesn't look weird, but it was. I don't know what it was, because everything was like, all the rolls, everything was in, but something was weird about the hexagon. It was fine to attach, so there was no really problem. There we go, besties. It took me, let's see, 30 minutes. That was a lot, but I did make a mistake. And yeah, that is it. Hi, I'm really losing the train of thought with this video. I really didn't like how I filmed it. But this is Tuesday, and at 3:19 in the afternoon, The low was 19, the high was 27, and the current was 22. So it was kind of cold when I was doing it. Oh my god, it's another day already. Yeah, the sunset. Oh my god, this day I was working at like 7 at night, and the sunset was happening, and it was so beautiful. Like it was so gorgeous, and like the light was like reflecting everywhere. That like bright orange golden hour thing. Oh my god, it was amazing. But for the hexagon, this is it. It was kind of cold when I was doing it, but anyway. And this is Thursday, and I gotta say, I painted my nails on Thursday, and yes, I'm showing you because I think it's really important to show the nails because I paint them myself. It took me ages, and I think they look really nice. Also, because I painted my nails, I was crocheting really in a timely fashion. Like it took me a long time. It took me 40 minutes because when I paint my nails, I get so scared that I'm going to like ruin them because I just took so long doing them that I just do things with the most cautious I can. And I didn't ruin my nails, but I took a lot of time doing that hexagon. Anyway, this is Friday, and I don't know why I decided to film like that. I think I was trying to innovate in the filming, but it's looking really bad. This is my ceiling and a little bit of my hand, not too much because I wasn't good in framing things that I cannot see. And this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this day of filming. Oh, and Saturday was a really sad day. I filmed me showing the yarn, and I was going to film me doing it, but this is the footage. This is literally, I have 30 minutes of this kind of footage, and it's so upsetting. I filmed the wrong way. This was so sad. Like, I have never done this. It was so sad. I was so upset. That had never happened till now. Oh my god. I rested the phone against the computer, and it was with the front facing camera. I thought it was the back facing camera, so I was filming myself, but I wasn't. That's so upsetting. Let me show you the hexagon for today. It's this one. And it's the last one for the row. It's a row completing hexagon. It's a big moment for this project. I'm so upset. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for the outro. Anyway, I'm ending this video with Sunday's hexagon. I wasn't going to include Sunday, but I started editing this video and I didn't finish, and it was at the end of the day. I was didn't really want to finish editing. So this is me doing a sweet, and I had to keep an eye on the pen, and it was going to take a while to do it. So I just decided to do the hexagon for the day that I hadn't done yet. So the hexagon was actually, the low and the current was at 19, so I didn't have to bring too many yarns to the kitchen. And the high was 27, and this is me doing it. And also this is me doing my sweet. It's just a chocolate sweet, almost like a filling, I guess. I just had to like reduce this like vegan like milk cream thing and put a little bit of sugar. I put a little bit of coconut milk as well, like in powder form, and then just the chocolate powder thing. It was really good. It was a little bit oily though, but it was good. Anyway, this is it. This is the hexagon, and I didn't join it to the end because I have like the 3 rolls done, so I just didn't finish that one. I just didn't put it in the blanket because I need to take photos. And that is it. So this is it. This is what we have so far. 3 rows complete. As you might know, I'm doing 14 hexagon rows, and then I go to the next one. I'm doing them zigzags. So this here, actually, this here was the very first one. I went all the way here, and then I continued here, and then I go all the way to the other side, and then this, and all the way here. So this one was the day before yesterday, and this one was yesterday's that I didn't attach because I wanted to take photos with this one. But I will attach this one right here, and then I'll go all the way down, and then all the way up, and then all the way down, or like zigzag side to side, depending on how you look at it. But this is how it's going. It's very pink. I mean, it will overall be very pink because I have lots of pinks and I have some blues and some greens. But overall, I'm loving it. It does match me. I love a pink. So I'm glad I chose these colors. Although, now that I'm thinking about it, I have been really liking to use red and pink. And I was thinking, what if I had put some red on it? But then I don't really like red and purple. I don't know. Maybe for next year I'll think of another color range that involves some red. But yeah, this is how we're going. I hope you like this catch-up video. Let me know about your crochet projects. If you're doing a temperature blanket, what is like the ratio? You're doing it every week, every 2 weeks, you're just compiling in the end of the month. What kind of stitches are you using? Are you doing the regular straight stitch one? Let me know. I love to know of everyone's projects. If you have anything that you thought about in this video, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want. Do click that little bell. It notifies you when I post a new video. I just posted a very fun video that took me a little while to do, is where I did a little project. I created pants and like a top and a bottom, inspired by Lord, the musician. I love it if you give it a watch if you can. But all that being said, I'll leave my social media right here in the screen as well as in the description as a clickable link. That is it. It was a nice catch up. I'll see you in the next one or in the next video. And that's it. I don't have much to say. See you. Goodbye.